Hi everybody, I am Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be planting up this container right here next to the front door. You saw the other container that we planted up the other day that is on the opposite side here. And this one, it's in need of a refresh. You can see the plants that we're going to use and add to it. So let's go. Alrighty, so this is our container that we're looking to plant up and our plants. So right now, let me take everything out. What we have are a whole bunch of white violas and lavender violas, and they have been in here since fall of last year, so they're a tad leggy, but they still look really pretty. I mean, this purpley lavender color is just lovely. So what we're gonna do is leave all of that in there and then add in the plants that you saw that I'd kind of just popped up there. So 3 of these ivies going in the corner, the center, and the side. We're gonna add in this Amethyst Mist Heuchera, which we used one of these in the backyard container, so kind of just rounding everything out and using one here in the front yard as well. It's this beautiful purpley color. Gonna add that in. And then we have 2 of these columnar lemon cypress that we're gonna put in as well. And then lastly is this Monrovia Little Ollie Dwarf Olive Topiary, and it is in this absolutely just really nice Monrovia terracotta pot. So we're gonna keep the pot. I'm gonna actually plant a basil in here, probably either my basil or we have just a regular basil. Gonna plant that up in this pot another day, but gonna put this in the center, flank it with the 2 lemon cypress, have the heuchera here in the front, and then mix in the ivy as well. And I think that that mixture of all those colors between the chartreuse of the lemon cypress, the more bluey green of the olive, and then we've got kind of white, bluey green, and regular old green in the ivy, and then our purple. It's got all the colors that you're supposed to mix together in a planting arrangement. It's going to look beautiful. And then having these little pops of white and lavender of the violas is going to look nice as well. Might cut those back a little bit and let them reflush, but yeah. So let's get this planted up. it is in all of its glory. We do have these curtains up because the sun really just blares right in here on the front door. So that's why we have all of this curtainage going on. And we will allow sun to get to this here and there when it's not like the blazing hot sun. So this curtain will then come in front right here so that it can get sun. But it, you know, you can see that sunlight is coming through here as well. So it's not going to be completely deprived as is. Love this combination here. Anything where you're working with a bunch of foliage is something that I have really been striving to work on in terms of my containers and really just in the landscape, where I'm really trying to rely heavily on that kind of model. Like I said, especially for containers, because it makes it just so much easier to maintain. And I think it looks really pretty with the chartreuse and then the bluey of the lollipop topiary and the purple of the heuchera and then the variegated leaves on the ivy. It's exactly the way that I drew it up, honestly, to be in this spot. And then if you recall, if I spin around here, you can see the front door, and our video from the other day, this container is right there. So that's that. Alrighty, so here is how the front yard is looking. So much of it is more in bloom than the last time that I showed you guys. So we have a bunch of the Supertunia Vista Snowdrift, the Superbena Whiteout. This is Superbena Cobalt. And then here's a better Superbena Cobalt. And then Supertunia Vista Jazzberry. Those are all of our kind of ground cover type plants that we got working here. We've got our Daisy May Banana, no, this is Amazing Daisies Banana Cream 2 Daisy. We've got a bunch of Plain the Blues Salvia. And then dotted throughout, we have the Magic Fountains mixed delphiniums in this bed. Looking really, really good. And then this side of the yard looking good as well. We've got a whole bunch of mulch over there to mulch. Still have to do drip irrigation both over here and on the other side. You can see those Bolero delphiniums need to get planted. They're actually going to get planted one right there. And then over here, the other one's going to get planted right about there, but I've got them pushed up in there because unfortunately that one, you can see the top right there busted off from falling over. So that's a bummer, but in general, everything is starting to fill out. We got a few more weeks and then we're going to have just like solid ground cover. So I'm really excited about that. Alrighty, so that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this come together and seeing some updates of what the front yard is looking like. I am so happy with how everything's going. So can't wait to keep showing you as everything continues to fill in and grow and look beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.